Hello everyone, this is Craig Chamberlain with the PCM Tech Help Show. That's right, the PCM Tech Help Show at PCMTechHelp.com. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to reset your network adapter on your wired or wireless computer. Now, this will actually work in all the operating systems, but getting to your device manager might be different. The first tip I'm going to show you will actually use your command prompt, which will work in all the Windows operating systems. And the second one, you have to find your way to your device manager to disable and re-enable your network adapter. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, in the first one, just go to your Start button, and in XP, you'll click Start and then Run. But in Windows 7, we just click the Start button and type in Command and press Enter. Now, this brings up your Windows 7 command prompt where you can actually type in some, they're called command line applications. Now, there is one in particular that's designed to reset your network adapter. Now, you might want to reset your network adapter if you're having internet connection issues, or if occasionally you drop out network connections on your wireless. That's neither here nor there. To actually release your network connection, to start the reset process, you type in ipconfig /release, and then you press Enter. What that'll do is it'll drop out all of your IP addresses that you received from your router. After you've completed that, you type in ipconfig /renew, and then you press Enter again. And then it'll actually run through all of your particular network connections and it'll renew them. Now notice I have a few disconnected media devices here. It's not really that important because they actually run inside of a virtual machine. The ones that can be reset will actually reset properly by doing this method. Now, that's the first method. If that doesn't help you out, there's another method you can do that's actually a little more effective. And it's similar to actually restarting your computer without restarting Windows. That's called a factory or a hardware reset. So first thing you want to do is click on the Start menu again and type in Device Manager. And you have the Device Manager option here, so go ahead and select that. And when the Device Manager comes up, we're going to actually look in the Networks category. And that falls under network adapters. So you might have a large number of network adapters here depending on your particular configuration. You can do this with both your wired or your wireless adapter. In my case, I have a Broadcom NetX50X gigabit controller. That's actually my wired connection. And I also have a Intel Centrino Advanced N. That's actually my wireless adapter. Now to hard reset these, you just right click on one of the adapters and you just click Disable. Now it will prompt you to, just in case, it'll tell you that you have to restart your computer. Well, in this part it says it'll cease to function, which is fine. So I'll say yes, and it'll actually put this little arrow next to it to tell you that it's disabled. Now I can do the same thing in my wireless. I'm not going to right now, but then you just right click on it again and click Enable, and it will actually re-enable the hardware. You've actually issued a hard reset to your hardware. Same exact thing occurs when you restart Windows manually. This is a great way to actually kind of play around with network configurations, and it also is a great way to troubleshoot network configurations because you can actually go in here and do a hard reset if you've made any changes without having to completely reboot your computer every time. So that's all there is to this video. If you have network issues, remember that this is a very limited troubleshooting section. It's just how to reset your actual hardware without without rebooting the computer. If you have network problems, swing by my forum. That's at PCMTechHelp.com/forum, and post some questions there, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. But if you like this video, go ahead and thumbs up, and stay tuned. There's plenty more videos to come. Also, you can follow us on Twitter. That's at Craig Chamberlain if you want to follow me directly, or at PCM Tech Help if you want to follow the actual company. You can also follow us on Facebook as well. Stay tuned. There's plenty more videos.